plan up to 5 authorized, our Plus plan up to 3, and our Essentials plan up to 2. But why is this important? Because if you do business in-state and out-of-state, our Pro and Plus plan will serve you best. On all of our plans, you get advice and consultation, document review, designated consultation, collection letters. Ladies and gentlemen, I can stay here right now for a long time. Most of our clients who are business owners said they appreciate the fact that they can get collection letters addressed. I just was referred to a business owner on yesterday. They had 2 situations where they see the value of having our collection letter component. IRS, audit, trademark, and the list just goes on. Get with the person who invited you. They can give you more details. Now, we also have what we call a home business add-on. Now, you may be a homeowner that lease properties or whatever, or even do a side gig. This is excellent for in-state member-only services, collection letters, designated consultation, document review, and if you're audited by the IRS on home-based business Schedule C, Schedule E, we have attorneys that can help you there and discount services on anything outside the 100% portion of our membership. Now, we talk about access. Most of us, we may leave home without our wallet, ladies without your pocketbook, but nobody very rarely leaves home without their phone. So on your laptop, iPad, your smartphone, you simply will have access to your phone. You have access to your services. As